Microsoft 365 provides the latest and connected productivity, so users working from anywhere can benefit from the most up-to-date tools and features without compromising security. This includes Copilot for Microsoft 365, your AI assistant for work. When discussing AI tools like Copilot, a common question is, how does Microsoft protect customer data? Microsoft builds products and services with security, privacy, compliance, and transparency at their foundation. These fundamentals have not changed, but the release of Copilot for Microsoft 365. In fact, Microsoft recently recommitted to a set of 4 core privacy principles across the company. You control your data at Microsoft. We believe that your data is your business, and you should control its collection, use, and distribution, as well as its location. You know where your data is located and how it's used. Microsoft also believes in transparency about our data practices. We use enterprise-grade encryption to secure your data at rest and a transit. Microsoft uses advanced multi-layered encryption to keep your data safe. We defend your data. Microsoft reviews every legal demand to ensure it is valid and only provides data pertaining to specific accounts and identifiers. The specific commitments Microsoft makes about how we handle data are different depending on whether that data is at rest or in transit. Data is at rest when it is stored in the cloud and is not in transit, like a file in a OneDrive folder. Data is in transit when it is actively moving from one location to another. This can be across the internet within a private network, or from one device to another. Another phase of data you might encounter is data processing. Data and process can occur when any operations are carried out on data or sets of data. Whether through automated or manual means, Microsoft keeps your data safe, both at rest and in transit, by encrypting it. Encryption helps protect against unauthorized access, disclosure, sharing, or usage. Encryption occurs when a client machine communicates with a Microsoft server, when a Microsoft server communicates with another Microsoft server, and when a Microsoft server communicates with a non-Microsoft server, such as Exchange Online delivering email to a third-party email server. Microsoft 365 data residency offerings and commitments apply to data storage at rest. Data residency provides guarantees that your data at rest will be stored in the local region you selected when signing up for your Microsoft 365 tenant for customers and the European Union and FTA countries with eligible tenants in the EU data boundary. Our commitments go beyond data residency to also include data processing. Microsoft 365 customers and eligible regions may also benefit from data residency commitments for a core set of online services, including Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Microsoft Teams, and Copilot for Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 also offers optional data residency, add-ons such as advanced data residency, and multi-geo capabilities. Advanced data residency provides tenant-based data residency coverage for additional regions and additional Microsoft 365 services, workloads, and prioritized tenant migration from larger to more specific regions. The multi-geo capabilities provide customers the ability to expand their Microsoft 365 presence to multiple geographic regions within a single existing Microsoft 365 tenant. With multi-geo customers can manage data at rest locations at a granular user-based level. Copilot for Microsoft 365 is a Microsoft 365 online service, meaning your data is protected by the most comprehensive enterprise compliance and security controls with configurable options that set your organization up for success.